Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send a video as document in WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead, access your particular WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Now from the chat section, choose a person that you would like to send that video as a document. Go ahead, choose it. Now right over here, tap on here in the section and tap on this plus icon beside. Now go ahead, tap on this document option and tap on the second option, choose photo or video. Now go ahead, choose a video file of yours. Once you have chosen the video file, simply tap on the send icon which is given in the bottom, and now that video file will also be sent as in the form of document, and you can do that for any of other videos that you have. Simply go ahead, tap on plus documents and simply choose a video from your gallery likewise, and you can share it. That is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.